I'm a recent first-time home buyer of a 2-bed, 2-bath condo in Hoboken and wanted to share my experience using Brian Murray as my agent with you. I had gone to a number of open houses and met several agents before meeting Brian. I was initially impressed by his overall knowledge of the Hoboken real estate market and his ability to understand exactly what was important to us in our search. Once I began working with Brian, he began showing us condos that we were interested in seeing. As we continued our search, he was able to tailor the showings to those units which had the characteristics that were most important to us. Brian was always respectful of our time by arriving promptly and never canceling an appointment at the last minute. He was also willing to spend the time discussing our options and the process whenever we needed him to. His exclusive focus on the Hoboken market greatly enhances his ability to be very knowledgeable about many of the specific buildings and blocks in Hoboken, which really helped us make our decision. Most importantly, he always treated us like we were buyers making a significant decision in our lives rather than us being a transaction for him. Once we decided on a property, Brian was there to explain and walk us through the entire purchasing process from bidding all the way through close. This was very important to us as first-time home buyers. His advice successfully guided us through a seamless closing, and all this despite it being an extremely difficult market environment. Finally, Brian went out of his way at the end to make himself available to us when, after closing, we had an issue arise. I strongly recommend using Brian Murray and plan on using him again myself in the future.